abusuafo otumfo dotiye na wo yeye no semu amani tua se muhu ibokin ewo ye na se I beto media no so say ya bounce ibokin ewo eye na say ebusua ibokin abeye press conference abekasa say ya bounce no ya bi ibokin si ya bounce no ya mani invite say omra eye na say ibokin na ni ede pa o si ya mani invite say omra eye na say ebusua wo hwe video na utimi say ibokin baye na nka wo pe chance akotia otumfuo but oma no kwan na omo na tikofo adipa num oma ibokin kwan so nkonkwa chia omo da bi oba mo no boni tinam tutu uche na ibokin na tudi che na omo direct ne fa o simple sam kwa chia otumfuo si no da bi fa say ibokin so be kasa say omo man invite ye ma invite a ukwa wa eloki uba akonya ya ma ba bi am akwa kwatena hwe wonya ba bi atena o fa ne sa obuze kwaku bunsam ono kwa nwanya invite mpo kwaku bunsam kwa yesi protocol yeso protocol afa de oti ayi na conform for protocol afa na abeka za conform for protocol hwe ukwaku bunsam kwa anya invite na wo ibokeni udu ebo nso de abusia iboken na ba betu na num to makasa moma yekotie iboken no nsama okan
Most of all the kings have visited, Kofrodia king, ran Ghana. That is what everybody knows me for. That humility, that respect to my elders and to the kings, that I submit to your authority. I also display the same culture of Igbo, because Igbo's, our culture is all about humility. Our culture is all about respect. Our culture is all about, being humble to your elders, and I display that humility before the whole world. And a lot of people are applauding us for that because that is our trademark. And after that, we bowed and we left. We hesitated. And nobody denied me. There was nothing like deny. The king has never ever denied me of not having a handshake with him.
Yeah.
And it's not everybody that go there had a handshake with the king.
Oh boy.
Hundreds of kings that came there, hundreds of king mothers, hundreds of great men who
I
had a handshake with the king.
Oh boy.
I'm so surprised. A couple of minutes after that, the news stories from some Ghanaian bloggers was the king denied having a handshake with me, that the Michelle Palace disgraced me, that the Michelle Palace didn't allow me and all that. This is 100% lies and a fallacy from bloggers that are looking for content.
Hey.
It's 100% lies. Nothing like the kingdom disgracing me or denying me. No. Number three. Bloggers are looking for money from internet.
Sir.
Sometimes they give wrong information for them to get followers.
Sir.
Number two. I've been watching so many bloggers putting my picture on their stories. When I listen to the story from beginning to end, they will not even say anything about me, but just my picture is there. So apparently, they're using my picture to get followers. So right now, the new name I tag to the bloggers they are my promoters. They are my agents.
Allah.
And they are they do free advert for me using their internet and using their whatever to do free advert because I didn't do anything wrong. I did. Now, if I cough, they'll say you cough too much. If I tell somebody good morning, they say, is it twisted the good morning? Why can't you just say good morning like that? I throw my hand, they say it's insulting people. So to me, I'm enjoying it. To me, I'm not disturbed about that. To me, I am not blaming nobody. To me, I don't see it that they know what they're doing for. Christ told Father in heaven, forgive them for they don't know what they're doing. So I thank them for promoting me and making me more popular.
Ausia, some more money here. Igbo can say, bloggers for ye promote no. Oh, ye promote no. Because it's made in the picture, Epto Adia enim, na ye can. Ubekwa kwesi na se emfa no ho kwara. Eti bokin. No kwara so hwe ma akwaye no. Wanchia no. Ya eti mu se wanchia otumfo. E na se enya wo nko na we hene ara se sei. Wona so we ohene. But ye hu se wo chia otumfo. Be wunya anka ba chia. Ebu a wunya ya enka ba chia otumfo. Na nka de abaye hyehye. Abusuanka Igbo ken so chia otumfo dia. Kasem besi wo Ghana ha pa. Kasem kese ebesi no. Kwakum nsam kra atima ankwachia otumfo.
Etime kɔ no me kɔkyɛ o mi de maduru hɔ miduru mu sa konfo wie bisa ho na police ni bi gyina hɔ no wɔ se ai hwa na obi ato ne sa afre ne me ba no ana o me se ai wɔ se no appoint me sei me gyina wɔ se no ayi sei ana police ni se ɛna wɔ kɔ akubi so kɔ ya wɔ se ne mo sa konfo bi afam ho me pa twa tiefo nyina ntie ne ye se me du fo am ka se kɔ mu sa du fo ana wɔ se we come with the protocol. What is a protocol? And I'm going to say, Manui, and I'm supposed for protocol. So, and I ja, me demented or so them coffee. Timmy coffee and I'm one, ja, medium McCoy. Tiadechi, no, and I'm seeing my hobby. And will be a sabi a day. I be Jojo, Minko beam. Eti, Adechi a man corner, so say, so see, negative, so no, a soft akukuda before mugusuro ni nyina mwatima hwe mansuo ato akonfo no so bi ho ato malamfo no bi ho ato because me call me kase fo okrokuzu beto ti ade che nam se dabi na che se mpanyfo bi frefrem se na ene de bomodin ase nam se na mebai enso godlukola ebie no beto bi na che se mpanyfo bi frefrem se na ene de bomodin ase nam se na mebai enso godlukola ebie no beto atofo manhia bonte so asida was ne me chiri tumia nyame ni nankopon edi amame a me di adwuma kakra etime kɔ no na matiti susumasa eni somenum eni ha manu ni ade na mka ni nyina bom timiduru wɔ nam kɔ baafo na se baafo eni wiemu nye na su kwa bia so no na me wɔ chinie bi wɔ hɔ ɛyɛ nkoto asa se chine mi di butuo sesi nam de saa ne man hyase nam de kata so a enso bie no beto da enso bie no beto da ana me yes adam de ko hye baafo ana me kikire nam de ma baafo no baafo ne de oje mu de ne de nyina ewu nti som ana hwa ne ye de agro ta so enti bosum ba na bosum so ba gina mu akopem tama ebobo no nsia ansa na ye wura ba ye den ebekɔ tieja yakoma enti hwa na ayi yekom ana na ayi miam papa su twam akɔ na je se bosom no wotiri so na chamfo so ofre bosom no ama bosom ye de e ba chia no so ati ase eti ade chi ye no na me ba na me hwe awie na wie mu nye na me ka che o se me ma agro na se na mo me de me ka no be kwa hye ayi onso ufri ni se ba enche o ba bi na ise ma ye niema ti tama president mo ba ya yi mo ba ya na nso na ni mo ye wo fro opinion na me cheke na me che
o ye niema
me ye niema o kan me because medical ka say ena ma bai ekufri se ye bedu me nana ebekɔ bam na de nana dwuno e wo se nsuo to a shower of blessing na me di kan social media ma obi trendy eti wa na ja me ye ho adwuma nti nyame boa ya opim so sole ko ye na president twam na mas na mas atata mas atare ko bi na me na bo na meje fans e ho bi tu bi kan na me ko fie na nchi nso na beba ye de me na to fom si kim eti na no pe we na be fa ina na me se ai wo entu bi samia sebi previous enye se ebia sei anase sei na miam hwe ye no bibia akọ
na Igbo king ye ma okwan na kwache otufo Igbo king kudu egbu abusu Igbo king na aba be kasai ya damasi haye young money studio abusu am follow the YouTube channel no na mu subscribe na mu follow TikTok account abusu for ya damasi